So, good day, everyone. Education is often called the key to success, but not everyone in this world has a chance to unlock that door. Did you know that millions of children and young people are still out of school, and many of those who do go to school has a lack of access to quality teachers, proper facilities, and learning resources? That's why one of the most important Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, is the SDG 4, the quality education. This goal aims to ensure the inclusive and equitable education for all and to promote lifelong learning opportunities. Schools play a very important role in making this goal into a reality. They are not just places where lessons are taught, they are communities where students are shaped, where values and develop, and where dreams begin. So, in this presentation, we will explore practical ways that schools can contribute to achieving quality education, from improving teaching to using technology to involving parents and community. Together, we will see how education can truly change the lives and how schools can lead the way in building a brighter and more sustainable future. In school, it will provide a supportive and inclusive environment where we can develop and strengthen our writing, drawing, and creative thinking. So, here, teachers will implement individualized classroom strategies such as clear instruction, flexible deadlines, and visual aids to help her focus and manage tasks. So, in school, it's not about the academics. Here, we will learn about the survival skills, the technical skills, and it shapes us to be better in the near future. Schools play a vital role in addressing global issues such as poverty, climate change, inequality, lack of education, and poor health. Education is not only about learning facts, it is also about shaping responsible and informed and compassionate global citizens. Schools educate students about current global challenges and issues, including na nga dyan yung climate change, poverty, gender inequality, and peace. Lessons in school studies such as science, civics, it helps the student understand how local actions connect to global outcomes. Through discussions, projects, and campaigns, students become aware of the importance of the sustainable development and human rights. Schools can lead by example through environment friendly practices such as waste segregation, recycling tree, tree planting, and energy conservation. Integrating topics like sustainability and environmental protection into the curriculum helps develop eco conscious behavior among learning. What schools must do to address the issue in lack of education? First, we need to strengthen inclusive education. Schools should ensure equal opportunities for all learners regardless of gender, disability, or socio-economic status. We need to implement scholarship programs, free school supplies, and feeding initiatives to support marginalized students. And also, we need to train teachers on inclusive teaching practices to accommodate students with special needs. Second, we need to promote community outreach. Schools can collaborate with local government and non governmental organizations or NGOs to bring education to remote or disadvantaged areas like mobile classrooms or weekend schools. And we need to launch awareness campaigns for parents to emphasize the importance of education. Third, we need to enhance the quality of teaching and learning. We have to provide continuous teacher training to improve teaching methods, integrate technology, and adopt child centered approaches. We also need to update the curricula to make it relevant to real life skills like digital literacy, environmental awareness, and entrepreneurship. Fourth, we need to integrate lifelong learning, offering alternative learning system or ALS or after school programs for out of school youth and adult learners to complete the basic education or learn vocational skills. And fifth, we need to create a safe and supportive learning environment. Schools must ensure safe, accessible, and well equipped facilities like the classrooms, toilets, libraries, and internet access. And we need to develop and counseling programs to address students' mental health and well being. So, by implementing these measures, schools can become a driving force in achieving SDG 4 quality education. They not only address the immediate problem of lack of education, but also contribute to breaking the cycles of poverty, reducing inequality, and empowering communities for sustainable development.